Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel! Yes, another episode na naman ng Makeup Tuesday for today, and this is something na na-create ko based sa poll na ginawa ko sa aking Facebook account. So, nagpa-poll ako the other day ng what makeup look should I create. It should be like something like pageant-like makeup or something creative, snake-like makeup. And yung nanalo is eto, and pinahirapan talaga ako dito sa makeup look na ito. And this is what I have created for today, as what you can see. Ayan, so eto na nga yung aking creation ng snake makeup look. So, if you would like to know paano ko siya ginawa for today, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa kasi medyo matagal to para at least maturo ko sila lahat sa inyo. So, if you would like to know all of the steps kung paano ko ito ginawa and how I was able to pull this off, then you just need to keep on watching. But before that, if bago ka lang sa channel na to, don't forget to hit on like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because every Tuesdays, we are having an episode of Makeup Tuesday, and every Saturday, we have random makeup kikay videos. And also, make sure to click on the notification bell para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads because I still have an ongoing giveaway right here. Ayan, so click mo yan dito in order for you to join if you would like to join because I'm giving away 3 lipsticks. And also guys, if you would like to be featured at the end of the video, don't forget to leave a comment down below because every end of the video, I am doing shoutouts para at least ma-shoutout kita by the end of the video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start our episode of Makeup Tuesday. Alright, so let's start. So as usual, magsimula muna tayo sa mist. So the mist that I will be using is eto from Skinlab, Jeju aloe. Sobrang tagal ko nang hindi ito nagagamit. So I'm using it right now and pinapatuyo ko lang. And now, with the primer, I am using Quickfx No Shine Mattifier Primer. Bumalik ako dito kasi nga yung last video natin, ang pangit ng primer na ginamit ko. So this time, balik ako sa gusto kong primer. And now, just like yung other videos ko, or yung Bratz videos ko, I'm gonna put the card here para ma-check nyo kung paano ko tinago yung kilay because hindi ko na masyadong i-feature or ituturo dito kung paano siya itago. Just check that Bratz video. So, kaya lumiretso na ako sa foundation sa clip na to. So, sa foundation naman, this is already my 3rd layer. So, as what you can see, medyo makapal na siya. And I started adding foundation all over my face using a brush. And as you all know that I use brush to spread foundation on my face. Then afterwards, I use a sponge to kind of blend it in para mas seamless tingnan. Now, I grab my iMagic face paint and I'm trying to add the yellow color. Actually, I'm adding it all over my face. Yes, green yung snake, but I'm adding yellow because the concept or the technique that I'm using here is to add all the lighter colors first until slowly we will go to the darker colors. Kasi mas madaling magdagdag kaysa magbura at mag-erase ng makeup. So, kaya I'm adding the yellow first because this will be the highlights of our face or yung high peaks ng ating face. So, nilagyan ko lang ng yellow yung all over sa aking face. Now, I'm grabbing the Beauty Glaze Color Board palette. And now, I'm just trying to add a yellow powder or eyeshadow powder para to set everything in because medyo creamy yung face paint and medyo oily siya. So, kaya I'm adding a powder to set. Now, I'm trying to outline the center scale. Yung nakita yung scale kanina sa intro. So, basically, I'm trying to outline it with a very light yellow-green color because this is just an outline para makita ko lang kung saan ko siya ilalagay and how it will look. This is not the final look pa. So, I'm just trying to make the outline and kind of like draw it like that. So basically, draft pa siya kung if we're gonna say it differently. So this is just a draft. Ayan. So afterwards nito, I actually added some lighter contours. Ayan. So I'm adding lighter contours. This is also yellow-green. So basically, light yellow-green pa din yung contour na nilagay ko because as what I have mentioned earlier that we will be going through darker colors slowly. So kaya ganito pa muna yung technique na ginagawa ko. Now, I'm trying to draw a triangle sa temples ng aking ng aking ulo, like that part. So I guess you can visualize the triangle part. I'm trying to draw a triangle na ganyan because I would like that specific area to be highlighted and para mag-push forward, para mas mas protruded siya sa aking face. And just the same thing sa kabilang side naman, I also draw a triangle. So basically, this is still a draft. I'm going to darken the colors over time. So I'm just like trying to draw this specific contours. And as what you can see, my eyebrows, medyo nakikita-kita na siya, but that is totally fine. I'm also adding cheek contours using a bright yellow-green color. Same concept, same technique. I'm adding lighter colors first, then later on, ida-darken natin yan once everything is finalized and set. So, I'm adding it both sides, of course, ng aking cheekbones, and I'm also dragging it towards the mouth, like totally towards the mouth talaga. And now, I'm trying to blend everything in. I'm also dragging the color all the way to papunta sa triangle na ginawa natin kanina on the sides. I don't know what's that's called. Temples ba yan? Diyan apart. I'm trying to put a contour or a yellow-green contour there too to really give definition sa mukha ng ating snake queen. Ayan, so blend lang yung ginawa ko. Also, once again, sinama ko na din yung bibig sa pagbe-blend because our mouth later on will be green. Now, I'm trying to blend the dito yung triangle because I don't want it to be really to show harsh line. So I'm just trying to blend it to get that gradient effect. But still, I'm trying to keep a little bit of orange or a little bit of highlights area na yan because once again, I want it to be protruded. So now, I'm adding eyeshadow. So ngayon, I grabbed the black paint. And I just remembered na hindi ito kasing opaque na gusto ko. So later on, you will see na ipapat ko siya ng black eyeshadow using the Darling eyeshadow palette from O.Two.o. There you go. Ayan, so pinapat-pat ko lang siya ng black eyeshadow. And later on, I'm gonna like blend this upwards. So ayan, I'm starting to blend it upwards because I want the eyes to be super strong, super scary, super black, super dark. So I'm just trying to blend it in, and you will be able to notice that I will be dragging the color towards the sides of my temples ba yan? Diyan, I'm trying to drag it outwards to give an illusion na super laki ng ating eyes. So ayan, I'm just trying to build up the color because the color is not that opaque to my liking. So, that's it. Now, in this part, I'm adding a darker green na eyeshadow to blend sa black. Kasi ayoko yung nakikita ko yung black na super harsh nung line, yung super draw na draw. So, I'm trying to blend it with a green eyeshadow. And I'm a little bit nahirapan dito because I wanted that dark green to be really dark. Para it would give a different dimension and definition sa whole face because our whole face is green. I don't want it to be like super green din, kagaya ng iba. So, in order for it to turn darker, I added a dark blue eyeshadow para magmukha siyang blue-green. So, as what you can see, slowly it became darker green, darker with that hint of blue. That way, it would give like a darker definition and iba yung texture and character na maibibigay niya sa face. So, as what you can see, it turned to like a darker blue-green na color. There you go. Now, I added a black eyeshadow sa aking bottom lash line. And that's all the way to the inner corners. And I'm also blending it with the green eyeshadow na pinang-contour natin. So, like the yellow-green eyeshadow, like that. So, yan yung ginawa ko. And then, after that, ginawa ko din yung kabilang eyes. There you go. By the way, I added green eyeliners sa inner corners and to the outside corners there. Hindi ko na siya kinamera because I don't wanna feature that specific eyeliner because hindi ko siya gusto kasi napaka-patchy ng eyeliner na to. And yeah, I just added it to give extra definition and texture sa face. Now, I'm trying to give definition ulit sa scale in the middle of the face. So, I'm trying to draw darker green na eyeshadow. Ayan, so as what you can see, medyo darker na yung nilagay natin to really pop it out even more kasi yung draft na ginawa natin, I would like to finalize it na this is the best time to finalize it. Ayan, so I did all of that until to the very top. And kung may nakikita kayong medyo tagilid or ano siya, hiwi. Ano yung hiwi sa Tagalog? Yung parang hindi siya symmetrical because I really struggle in symmetry. Hindi talaga ako makakapag-symmetrical ng ng mga bagay-bagay. So now, as what you can see, I'm adding a blue triangles sa gilid. It's because we will be blending that out later on. Makikita niyo yung effect because by doing this and once blended sa color green mamaya, it would look like darker sa outer edge ng bawat scales. Basta makikita niyo siya mamaya and that's why I'm actually trying to draw triangles here and there you go. Dito niyo makikita. So, I'm adding the green eyeshadow. And once na-touch ng brush yung blue eyeshadow, you would be able to see na para siyang darker on the outer parts of the scales. Then, magiging lighter siya in the inner part. That's how I actually tried to blend it in. So, I just did that to all of the scales that I've drawn dito sa aking center of the face. So, ayan. So, kung makita nyo, I hope you could really see it clearly na nagbi-blend in yung blue sa green and it would show darker sa outer parts then lighter sa inner parts. So, ayan. Paulit-ulit lang. I just did that throughout the whole scales sa front ng aking face. And by the way, guys, and also, by the way, paulit-ulit ako sa by the way. Now, I'm actually adding the darker blue eyeshadow sa outside part ng scales. And also, right on this specific part, I grabbed the Focal Rainbow highlighter and I grabbed the yellow because may yellow highlighter siya doon. And I added it doon sa lower parts ng bawat scales to highlight the yellow parts and para mas mag-protrude siya. And that's what you can see, meron siya mga blue eyeliners din. Ako na idinagdag. Same ito ng eyeliner ko na ginamit sa mata, the green ones, but I don't recommend it. So, makikita nyo parang ang patchy-patchy niya tingnan. So, I just added it to really give extra dimension and definition sa scales. Now, I grabbed a stocking na ganito, yung parang net stocking. And I'm using this to create more scales sa face. So, now, on this part, I'm adding a darker green eyeshadow towards the sides of my face and para mas mag-darken yung contour natin. And also, naglagay din ako ng blue. As what you can see, blue eyeshadow para mag-super dark talaga yung outer parts ng ating contour. And I'm also adding contour sa chin ko, like a triangle thingy sa chin, just like that. Just to add extra character sa mukha. Then, once you remove it, you could see the bonggang scales at the sides of my face. Now, I added more green eyeshadows sa lips and I'm starting to draw the nose na. So, basically, I'm just trying to add greens at the perimeters of my nose and blending it outside. Like so. I'm just trying to slowly blend it in. Then, I added a black eyeshadow. This is a black eyeshadow. And I just drew like a triangle from my nostrils up Kasi ganito yung mga nakikita kong ng mga reptiles na anong tawag dyan, nose ng mga reptiles. Then, ganyan. So, I've also added more greens sa lips. And also, by the way, I added blue eyeshadow din sa nose to make it even darker. Now, for the lips, I have, what you just need to do is to draw a triangle at the center. Then, sa gilid, you just need to extend it out. So, basically, this is the whole look. Let me just finish up the look. Then, I will be back to you guys for you to see the final look. Alright, so ito na nga yung makeup look na nagawa natin for today, and hindi ako makakita. Actually, wala akong nakikita ngayon. It's blurred out due to the contact lenses. But I hope you had fun watching this specific video because it took me like around 5 hours. So, sana naman wag yung i-flop ito. And I hope you will be inspired to create more creative makeup looks in the future at your own home. And if you have some suggestions, don't forget to comment that down below para ikaw ay ma-feature sa aking Aya shoutout. Being said that, let's proceed to our Aya shoutout. I would like to make a shoutout to Pauline Lau. Thank you so much, Pauline, for always commenting down in every videos that I have. Maraming salamat. Keep on commenting and keep on supporting me. Hindi natin alam, meron tayong mga pag-giveaways in the future. Baka mapili ka. Thank you so much again for commenting. And for the rest of you guys who is currently watching, comment down below na para ma-feature ka on my next episode of Aya Shoutout. Yun lamang guys, I hope you had fun watching this video. And if nagustuhan nyo to, don't forget to hit on like. Huwag nyo namang i-flop ito. And make sure to subscribe in my YouTube channel para updated ka sa aking bawat uploads. Thank you so much again guys for watching, and see you guys all in my next video. Bye!